Welcome to my YouTube channel YTS Tutors. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Now I am discussing kinematics. In kinematics, up to last video, I discussed distance. How do we calculate distance in different situations? I discussed displacement. What is the difference between distance and displacement? So distance is a scalar, displacement is a vector. So distance is nothing but length of the path displaced, whereas displacement is shortest between initial and final positions. So like this, I discussed in the last videos how do we solve the distance in vector situation, 2D dimensional, 3D dimensional situations, like that. So I discussed about which is dimensional formula about distance and displacement. Now I am going to discuss in this video average speed. Average speed also one of the topic in kinematics. So average speed. If you move, before going to average speed, I want to discuss what is the speed. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance by time. So how much distance you travel in particular time, that is speed. Speed is a distance is a scalar. Distance is a scalar. So scalar by time. So speed is also scalar. Scalar means it has only magnitude. Listen very careful. Scalar has only magnitude. Scalar has only magnitude. Here speed is only scalar quantity. It has no direction. That's why it is not vector. It is only scalar. Speed is nothing but in 1 second how much distance we travel. A particle travel in 1 second. How much distance it traveled. So how much distance it acquired in 1 second. That is nothing but speed. The unit for this one, speed unit equal to, so distance, so meter, time, second. So meter per second, otherwise centimeter per second. In CJ system, centimeter per second. In MK system, meter per second. In MKS, in CGS. So here M for meter, that's why in MK is length unit meter, that's why meter per second. Here C for centimeter per second. So unit is meter per second, centimeter per second. Then what about dimension formula? Speed, meter, L by T. Otherwise we can write like this, LT minus 1. L T plus 1, if you go to it is numerator, LT minus 1. Like this here also we can write MS minus 1 or centimeter minus 1. Like this. This is about speed. Speed is nothing but in 1 second how much distance we travel. A particle travel, otherwise a body travel in 1 second how much distance. So distance by time. Distance by time. Distance in 1 second, that is nothing but speed. Speed is a scalar. Unit is meter per second in MK system, centimeter per second in CJ system. Then dimension formula L by T. For meter L, for time, for second, that is time T. LT plus 1. So if we go T, it will go, if we go to numerator, LT minus 1. If we go up, so meter per second. Meter SC inverse. So power minus 1 we can call inverse. Okay, this is speed. Now I want to discuss average speed. Average speed. So already we know in lower classes average equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Average equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So what are the observations are there, we have to add in the numerator, then number, how many we are adding, that is number of observation, then we can get average of any observation. For example, average of temperature, average of length, average of whatever it is, time, like this. So this is in lower classes. Now we want to discuss average speed. So here average speed. So let me take one example here. So this is point A, point B. A particle, otherwise a car. A car is moving. A car is moving. So this car has at this point 20 meter per second. Speed unit is 20 meter per second. Here 20 meter per second. Then it is moving. At this point I checked 30 meter per second. Okay. At this point I checked 40 meter per second. At this point 50 meter per second. At this point the 0 meter per second. Like that the car is moving. It started with some velocity 20 meter per second, 30 meter per second, then it moved. Finally it has no speed. So in between I am using velocity. So here 20 meter per second, the speed 20 meter, 30, 40, 50, then it goes 0 meter per second. So what happens in total journey from A to B? The speed is varying. The speed is varying. Initially 20, 30, 40, 50, then 0. So generally average, I already discussed, average equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Can we write average speed like this, sum of the speeds by number of speeds? No, that is not the way here. Here we have to write average speed equal to the total distance. Total distance by total time. This is average speed. Look here. Total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. So average speed equal to total distance by total time. So here the total distance means from A to B, the total distance. How much time taken to reach from A to B? To reach B from A. So total distance by total time. That is average speed. Here also distance by time only, speed, but average, we added average term. So total by total.